Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Sorry, didn't have it in my hands. Well, time to take a look at a very, very popular company, and it's the Grave Before Shave. Today we're going to take a look at their Cigar Blend Beard Oil. So stay tuned right after I roll that intro, and we're going to tell you what I think of this guy. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for those of you who've been watching for a while, and even you brand new guys, look down there. I think it's going to be. It's either going to be there or over there. There's going to be a little channel watermark that's going to pop up. Please hover over that thing and just nail subscribe for me. Alright, get it out of the way now. Make everybody warm, fuzzy, and happy. Now, as I said in that intro, we're going to take a look at a very popular beard oil company, Grave Before Shave. And like I said, today we're going to take a look at their Cigar Blend. Yeah, so before we get too much further, there's one part of the bottle. And hold on, do I get it right? Okay, good. There's the other part. We'll cover all that. Now, it's supposed to be like a tobacco vanilla blend, but I'll be honest with you, I really don't smell the tobacco too much when I put it on. I pick up vanilla instantly, okay? As you saw, by the bottle, obviously, it comes with a dropper, which I like. And what I always do whenever I get beard oil in, if I haven't used it before, I just shake the crap out of it. Matter of fact, I shake it before every time I even apply it. But usually when it's the first time, open it up and go. And I take a whiff. I can get little hints of tobacco. It's kind of like, if your dad ever smoked a pipe and left his tobacco in a wooden drawer, and you open that drawer and you can still smell it, it's kind of along those lines. It's not overpowering like some cigarettes are and things along those lines. It's got a very, very good smell to it. All right. I got to tell you, the length of the scent, it goes away quick. I don't smell it like after an hour. And I'm not talking about I want a cologne-y thing in my beard all day, but I'd like to smell it more than just an hour. All right. Now, on their website, which is, of course, gravebeforeshave.com, like I said, it says it has a scent profile of tobacco vanilla. They've got a wide variety of products on their web store, like hats, soaps, posters, just a whole bunch of things, which is okay, but it's like, It made me wonder, because it's based out of California, so, Are you looking for like a skateboard crowd, or, it's like, what are you looking for? The other thing I didn't get was there really wasn't a huge About Me section on their web store, so it made me wonder what's going on, who founded what, when were you founded, just the history of the company, which I kind of like. Because especially if it's like a vet-owned company, I'm going to give it a lot of business. But with that being said, all right, this one they say, and I don't know if it was on there. Okay, yeah. It saw the ingredients a moment ago, but it says it has tea tree oil, pure apricot oil, jojoba oil, yeah, there we go, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, aloe vera, and essential oils to give it that wonderful smell. Honestly, guys, with every beard oil out there, you're pretty much going to find the same carrier oils, and it's just mixed with different essential oils to give it that smell. Now, like I've told everybody before in other videos, look up there if I didn't say it before. I'm going to leave a link, I should say a card up there, to every beard care product we've done before. The oil itself is not so much for your beard, it's for the skin underneath your beard. Because once it starts growing out to a different length, say like this, your body has a problem producing the essential oils that it needs to give that healthy, great looking feel, to your hair. So this helps nourish your beard. That's the only way I can put it. Now, basically, take a dropper, squeeze some in, drop it in your hand, rub it together, and just start massaging it in. That's the easiest way you apply beard oil. What I usually do with what's left over in my hands, I just run it through my hair, or, lack thereof. All right. I liked on their web store that they said they tried to ship out the very next business day via the post office. And like I said, they are based out of California. Now, this little guy on their website is going to cost you 12 bucks. For a 1 ounce bottle, that's not bad. I feel really comfortable between 10 and 15 bucks for a bottle of beard oil. I do. That seems to be the norm. And on Amazon, it's going to cost you 1 penny less, $11.99. It has a crap ton of reviews for just this one alone on Amazon. Very positive, very overwhelming love, very huge support for it. So I get that. I like it. All right. Now, that being said, I just want to keep it simple and easy. All right. If you guys have used Grave Before Shave before, I'd love to know what you think, especially if you've used this one. I'd like to know your experiences with it. You know, I will be bringing more from them to the channel. And I do like the fact on all their products, they basically have a skull. So whatever it is, there's a skull with something. I thought that was interesting. If you guys have used Grave Before Shave before, leave your questions, comments, hatred, love, whatever, down below in the comments section. If you guys haven't, and you guys have anything you want to say, leave them down there as well. I'm open to everything, man. I love interacting with all of you because you make this incredibly worth it for, me doing YouTube. Now, with all that great stuff being said, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view my video. It means the world to me. Now, for you longtime viewers of the channel, I believe it's going to be there or over there. There's going to be a big channel logo popping up. All right? Go ahead, click on that thing, and it's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've basically killed that thing with subscribe, go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? It's going to notify you every single time that I upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up either over there or over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My brief look at the Grave Before Shave Cigar Blend Beard Oil. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great one today.